The most important part of your life is the ability to use words. Maybe you didn't know it. Words define your life. Words define your value. Words define your personality. You are no better than your words. You are no greater than your words. The character of your words is the character of your personality. Watch your words. No man ever got better than his words. Your life is the expression, the manifestation, the reflection of your words. Doesn't take long to know who you are. All you have to do is talk for a few minutes. Your words locate you. They tell where you're at. Words are important. They make or mar your life. And Jesus used words. They said of Jesus, no man ever spake like this man. They listened to Jesus. They went back home and they said, nobody ever talked like this man. When they listened to Jesus, they didn't want to leave where he was. Everybody just wanted to hear this man. They came by the throngs, thousands of people, the multitudes thronged him. They came around Jesus. One time they forgot they hadn't eaten for 3 days. They were with Jesus in the desert. They didn't go home. They forgot themselves. Hearing this man speaking, and speaking. Oh, glory to God. No man ever spake like this man. When he uttered words and the waves were put to sleep and the storms were calmed, they said, wow, what manner of man is this? That even the winds and the waves obey him. They heard him speak. They said, what manner of man is this? He got power in his words. When he commanded the demons to come out in the synagogue, they said, wow, with authority, he commands the demons. With authority, he commands the demons. The Pharisees talked about the demons, but Jesus talked to the demons. With authority, he commands the demons.